In this video, I'll be showing you how to add and subtract algebraic fractions. Similar to before, adding and subtracting algebraic fractions is not so different from adding and subtracting regular fractions. The only difference here is that there are algebraic terms involved. When adding two fractions together, we need to make sure that the denominators have the same value. You can see the fraction in this example. One has a denominator of 7 and one has a denominator of x. In order to fix this, we need to multiply our two fractions by something in order so that the denominators can become the same. So I'm going to take my first fraction and I'm going to multiply it by x over x. This x comes from the denominator of the second fraction. I'm going to take the second fraction and multiply it by 7 over 7. This 7 comes from the denominator of my first fraction. This first fraction now becomes x squared divided by 7x, and the second fraction now becomes 14 over 7x. You can see by cross-multiplying the denominators, we've ended up with two denominators that are exactly the same. We can now add these like we would add normal fractions. This will become x squared plus 14, all divided by 7x. When adding and subtracting algebraic fractions, there is only one extra thing you need to know. We need to tell the calculator to make both fractions have a common denominator. You can do this by going Menu, 3 for Algebra, 9 for Fraction Tools, 4 for Common Denominator. I find it easier personally to just type the letters COMDENOM. Both will work the same. From here, it's as easy as putting our problem into the CAS. Oops, there should be a 2 there. And then pressing enter. The calculator identifies that these two fractions need to have a common denominator. The calculator does this and then combines them like regular fractions.